Going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a little mini handheld fan. This is for the one that works in the office and they get really hot and they just need a little quick cool down. This may be the product for you, so let's go ahead and check this thing out. Little products like this is fun to have. Ooh, like that. Gray color, looks very nice. I believe you got gray and you have like a matte pink. I actually like matte pink color. It looks pretty good. So this is like a bluish gray, but it's still like a matte color on it. Let's go ahead and see if this have anything in it, any power. Ooh, oh, you guys, this is up and down. So you can see right there. You can hold the button down. Oh, how high this thing go? I can't see on the screen right there. Oh, so all the way to 100. Woo! And it's pretty loud. Not like loud, but I would say if you're in like an office or something and you have this on 100, you will definitely, well, your neighbor, whoever's in the cubicle beside you, they will actually hear this thing. There's not much to this, you guys. The instructions is very small. Very small. Off and on is right here. And then you got the USB Type-C charger right there. So once you turn it off and on, you can actually see the percentage. It don't come on by itself. So once you turn it on, you have to hit the button right here, just in case you think it's broke. So there you go. And this is pretty cool, you guys. So it is handheld, but I'm pretty sure if you rig it up, like let's say if you're at the cubicle or something, you get like a box or something, you could probably rig it up to have it like stand up like this. But it is pretty cool. I love this fan, you guys. The fan actually blows pretty hard. It's just that if you're in the office or something, 100, well, 50 is definitely noticeable. Somebody will be like, hey, what's that over there? But if you have it down on like, I would say 18 to 20, nobody will probably know what it's going on if you have it on 20. But yeah, just wanted to get that out to y'all. So that's it, you guys. You do get your USB Type-C charger, and then you have your USB. So you will definitely need to get a block for that, or you can use your laptop, because if you're at the desk, you're using a computer, laptop, or something, right? Other than that, that will be it, you guys, with this handheld fan. And if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.